Computing devices store data, your data. It's easy to replace a computer if you have the cash, but what about your personal data? What if the hard drive dies and you lose access to everything it holds? Or what if some meddling kid deletes everything in your documents folder to clear out space for that awesome new game? How bad would that be? Catastrophic? Panic-inducing? Just to think about? That's why backups are so important. You need to have a backup strategy, including tools and frequency. Pick one or more backup media and verify the backup after it completes. Let's look at all three. You can back up data manually or use a program to handle it for you. With a manual copy, open File Explorer in Windows or Finder in Mac OS. Copy the files you want to back up, then paste them to a new location. That works in a pinch, but not really as a long-term solution. Most folks run some sort of utility program to handle backups. Windows 8 and 10 have built-in backup system called File History. Mac OS has the excellent Time Machine for taking multiple snapshots of user documents. You can easily restore deleted files or folders using these tools. Alternatively, you could use an image-based backup system to make a full copy of your hard drive. Try Acronis TrueImage if you want an impressive set of backup tools. You should schedule a backup at least once a month, if not once a week with third-party tools. You can back up to three categories of device: locally attached storage, network-attached storage, and the cloud. Most personal backups go to locally attached storage, which is a fancy term for a drive that plugs into your computer directly. That's how File History and Time Machine work. Here I've plugged an external hard drive into a USB port on my Mac and turned on Time Machine. Life is good. Some locations, like an office, provide access to storage that's connected to a local area network. Your business might have a file server, for example, or a NAS that you can use. These are good because if your computer gets stolen or blown up, because that happens, you still have copies of your data. For maximum safety, you should back up to a different physical location than where your computer resides. That generally means the cloud these days. Many companies offer relatively inexpensive cloud storage, such as Microsoft OneDrive or Apple iCloud. You can use robust, high-end storage like Carbonite, but it'll cost a little bit more. Once you've run a backup, make sure it works. Don't wait until disaster strikes and you need to restore files before you test the process. Here's the rule. Always verify your backups. The data you save will be your own.